Hey, welcome back everyone. In the last lesson, we worked with files and folders in PowerShell. Today, we will take the next step, learning about variables and data types. This is where PowerShell starts feeling like a real programming language. So, a variable is like a container that stores information, like a number, some text, even list of items. In PowerShell, variable always starts with a dollar sign. For example, if I want to store one person's name, I will give a name variable, and for that variable, I will give a name Alice. Right? So here, left side will be variable name, and right side will be variable value. If I want to print this variable in console, I can write output command let. If you remember, I just need to type name variable like this. Will print Alice. So here we created a variable called name that stores text. We can also create a variable that stores number. For example, if I want to store a person's age, I would create a variable called age and give it an integer number 25. If you notice, here we didn't use any code. That's because we store an integer, right? And I can do the same. I would do write output age to print out this age integer right here. And in PowerShell, we have like around 6 common data types. So I have listed them in this note text. If you look at here, we have string, right? String data type, which store tags. We just saw an example, like hello world. And we have integer data type. It will store whole numbers, right? Like 42 or 1, 2, 0, something like that. And for numbers, we also have decimal or double, right? That will store floating point numbers like 0.14 or 1.1, something like that. And we also have Boolean data types that will only store true or false, true or false, right? Its value will be or true or false, right? That's a Boolean data type. And also we have a array data type. It will store list of items like 1, 2, 3, 4, or a group of people's name, right? So we call that array, list of items data type. And we have also hash table data type, and it is just a key value pairs like a dictionary. So I have some example. I just copied from my other monitor, and I will paste it right here in PowerShell. So I right click to paste, and it will give me some warning, but we will paste it anyway. So look at here, I have a message variable that called hello world, and I have count variable, its value is 42, it's integer data type. I have a pi variable or variable, its value is 3.14, it's decimal or double data type. And I have an isReady variable, it's storing true, right, boolean data type. And I have numbers list. It has 4 elements inside, 1, 2, 3, 4 array, right? And I have person hash table. This person hash table has name and age key, and correspondingly it have Bob and Surrey value, right? And also, if you don't know the, if you don't assume you don't know this data type of pi, what you can do is you can uh, simply type the pi variable name here, and here we have a method that attached to it to the data type. You can do if I do pi.getType, right? If it will give me double decimal data type. Let's do one more example. If I do person, if I want to know what's the data type person, I can do get type method, right? Press enter. I will get that variables data type as hash table. So this tells you exact data type stored inside the variable. Alright, so at the end, I would like to give you an assignment. So create a variable called cd and assign your hometown and create a variable a year, $year with the current year, and make an array with 3 numbers, right? Print all of them using right output. Alright guys, I see you next time. Thank you. If you like it, give a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time.